What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to show you how to make this super quick and easy yogurt chicken in your air fryer. You'll absolutely love this recipe. It was so juicy and tender, the bone fall right out. Now guys, let's jump straight into the recipe. So for my spices, here I have some red chili powder, some chicken seasoning, complete seasoning, some garlic herb rub, some all-purpose and some paprika, and of course we'll be needing some Greek yogurt. And I have my chicken already washed and clean, and I went ahead and removed the backbone from the chicken. So into my bowl I went in with some of the yogurt, some olive oil, and that spice blend that I showed you earlier. Feel free to use your favorite herbs and spices to season your chicken. So I'm just going to mix well to combine to form a nice paste. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply this generously over the chicken. So we're going to go in under the skin, under the wings, under the legs and the thigh area thereabout, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it over and massage the paste on the inside of the chicken. You want to make sure that this is well seasoned, and you want to season and allow this to marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours. If you don't have that much time, don't worry, the yogurt will tenderize the chicken, making a juicy chicken. But if you want to make sure that the flavor is soaked into the chicken and it's flavorful down to the bone, you want to go ahead and allow this to marinate for a bit. Here is all done. I'm going to cover and set aside to marinate. As I mentioned, I'll be doing this in my air fryer. So yes, you could do a whole chicken in your air fryer, but if you don't have an air fryer, you could place this on a rack and place this into your oven. So we're going to roast this in my air fryer at 350 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. It all depends on your air fryer and how it cooks up. Every air fryer is different, so the temperature would be different. So for me, this took me roughly 45 minutes to an hour. So you want to keep checking the temperature as you cook it. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and roast this up. Now I went ahead and put some foil paper on the wing tips because I didn't want them to burn. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove that juice that the chicken has accumulated, and I'm going to use this to baste the chicken. This is super flavorful, and I am just pouring it back over. So you could do this every 5 to 10 minutes once your chicken has reached about 30 to 40 minutes worth of cooking time until everything is done. And there you have it. The chicken is nice and ready, and it is fully cooked through, and it is juicy and tender. You could serve this up however you like. I will leave a full written recipe down in the description box, so you could go ahead and check out this if you decided to make this recipe. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my page or follow, go ahead and do so. I really appreciate it. It will help out my page tremendously. And yes, guys, I thank you so much. And let me tell you, you could serve this up however you like. It was so juicy and falling off the bones. Let me tell you guys, this one was a hit. And yeah, my family loved it. I couldn't leave without showing you how juicy it was. It was so hot. I was burning my fingers. But let me tell you guys, the yogurt tenderizes the meat very well, and it adds a depth of flavor to it. You'll absolutely love it. I had to get a fork because it was scorching my fingers. But let's tell you guys, it was so juicy, tender, and flavorful. That's it, guys. I thank you so very much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and enjoy.